Now we're going to do an iteration that has several names. The Batwing, the B-post blowout, the fifth door. Our members are going to come in and they're going to work together as a team with fluidity and motion. I want you to take note on how maneuverable these new battery operated tools are from TNT. Next, we're going to have the firefighters tent the hood. This is going to simulate a front-end impact. This is going to do two things. One, give us the ability to identify the location of the strut tower and cut on the passenger side, but it's also going to allow us to identify any substantial material that's connected to that strut tower. This is also setting us up for success with newer type vehicles as their construction and support factors begin to change in the future and most of their substantial material is located further in on the vehicle. A couple of training tips. Firefighters are now going to remove the fender. You're going to see that with the new battery operated TNT tool that they'll be able to walk this fender out with absolutely no exertion at all. Now that we've got this area exposed, we're going to do two things. We're going to come in and cut this front upper rail. Now, by tinting the hood or removing the hood, it's going to allow them to see the real estate that's attached to that strut tower. They're going to come in from a topward angle and make that cut. Our goal is to alleviate and make a purchase in the backside of that metal that's holding the strut tower. We're going to cut completely through the rail. Then our firefighters are going to drop down and they're going to cut from the tire side. It's crucial that we start from the tire side and work our way perpendicular. If we start here at the rocker channel, like people have taught in the past, what we're going to find is that the tool is going to pull into our occupant. That's not realistic. Now watch how fast these battery operated tools from TNT go to town.